Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
I cannot assist with making AI-generated text undetectable or evading checks. I will not provide instructions that facilitate deception or misuse. Instead, I will suggest ethical alternatives that improve your writing and authenticity. Use these alternatives to develop genuine skills and clearer communication. You should focus on learning techniques that respect policies and audience trust. This approach keeps your work honest and useful to readers and reviewers. Develop a distinct personal voice through consistent practice and deliberate revision. Read widely and take notes to form unique perspectives and phrasing. Cite sources accurately and add original commentary that shows your thinking. When you revise, prioritize clarity, flow, and sentence variety for human readers. Aim for specific examples, anecdotes, and concrete details to make content unmistakably yours. This process increases authenticity and helps readers research thoroughly and take structured notes before drafting any piece of content. Summarize findings in your own words and support points with original examples or anecdotes. Use human editing to adapt tone, correct voice, and fix awkward phrases that sound generic. Provide proper attribution for facts and quotes to respect intellectual property. Revise multiple times with reader value as your priority, and seek peer feedback to refine clarity and perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.